In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Google Drive and get a share link effectively. Let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can seamlessly store and share your videos with anyone, anywhere. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once it opens, go to the search bar and type in Google Drive. You should see a list of search results appear almost immediately. Next, what you're looking for is the first link, which ideally should lead you to Google Drive. Alternatively, you can directly type in the URL if you know it. https://drive.google.com drive quota. This URL will take you straight to your Google Drive dashboard, where you can see what files already occupy your space. If you're not already logged in, Google might prompt you to sign in. However, typically, if you've logged in before, your existing Google account should automatically sign you in, making the process smoother and faster. Now that you're in your Google Drive, you have two methods to upload your video files. The first method is particularly straightforward. Look towards the left side of your screen for a button labeled Plus New. Clicking this opens up a menu where you should see the option File Upload. Select that, and you'll need to locate your video file on your computer. Once found, select it, and Google Drive will begin uploading it to your cloud storage. Alternatively, if you're a fan of drag-and-drop features, this second method is perfect for you. Simply locate the video file on your computer, then click and drag it directly into your browser window where Google Drive is open. You should see a message indicating the upload is in progress, and soon after, completed. With your video now uploaded, sharing it is just a few steps away. Start by selecting the uploaded video file, which will highlight the file, signaling that it's the one you want to share. Once selected, look for the Share button, usually found at the top right of your screen. Clicking on it brings up a sharing window. Under the section titled General Access, you'll see a down arrow. Click it to reveal sharing options, and from the options, choose Anyone with the link. This setting ensures that anyone who receives the link can access the video, provided you've given them a role. Speaking of roles, decide what kind of access others should have. Select Viewer if they should only watch the video, Commenter if they can leave feedback, or Editor if they need full editing capabilities. Once roles are set, a simple click on Copy Link will capture the shareable link to your clipboard. You can now share this link via email, messaging apps, or any other platform you'd like. Lastly, click Done to complete the process. And there you have it. Uploading and sharing videos through Google Drive couldn't be easier. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below.